Hello and welcome to Learning Primary Science with BlueTree. My name is Teacher Farron and today we'll be talking about life cycle of animals. So, what is a life cycle, you might wonder? Well, all living things go through a pattern called life cycle. Different organisms have different life cycles. And life cycles are made up of different stages. So some animals might have 3 stages, others might have 4. Now, did you know that us humans have 6 main stages? Yup, we have the fetus, baby, child, adolescent, adult, and finally, elderly. I bet you didn't know that. So, are you ready to move on to our first question? Okay, so let's have a look at our first question, MCQ. The classification chart below shows the characteristics of animals P, Q, R, and S. So we have animals, and then it splits into young that lives on land and young that lives in water. Okay, and then it further splits into 3-stage life cycles and 4-stage life cycles. Okay, the question is, which of the following animals represents P, Q, R, and S? Okay, so the concept that's being tested here is all about understanding and recognizing the different stages of each animal, right? Okay, so let's look at option 1. Okay, we understand that cockroach has 3 stages, right? The egg, nymph, and adult. Okay, and the young is on land. Okay, so does it meet the criteria? Yes, it does. Okay, next they say mosquito. Okay, mosquito has 4 stages, that is correct. Okay, but their young is actually laid in, the eggs are actually laid in water. Okay, and they will hatch into larva and pupa, which is all done in water, right? Which is why people always say never leave stagnant water lying around, okay? Because that's how mosquitoes can breed, all right? So this is not acceptable, right? Because for Q, the young is supposed to be on land. Okay, so let's look at option 2. Mealworm, okay, has 4 stages. Okay, so P cannot be a mealworm. Okay, let's look at 3 then. Okay, so we have grasshopper. Okay, does it have 3 stages? Yes, grasshopper has 3 stages. Is it on land? Yes, it is on land. Okay, now we look at the butterfly for animal Q. Okay, does the young live on land? Yes. Okay, it has a 4-stage life cycle as well. Okay, then we look at frog. Okay, for animal R. The young lives in water. Okay, so the young of a frog is called a tadpole. Okay, and yes, they live in water. Yes, it has 3 stages. And finally, let's look at animal S. Okay, so does animal S have 4-stage life cycle? Yes, the mosquito has 4-stage life cycle. And the young lives in water. So the best answer for this question is 3. Okay?